Hello there. Welcome to another tutorial of AWS. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss the AWS infrastructure. Amazon Cloud Computing introduces three terminologies to explain the infrastructure. 1. AWS Regions. 2. Availability Zones. And 3. Local Zones. First, we will talk about the AWS regions. As per AWS infrastructure, each geographical location is known as AWS region, which is a logical data center. One location called one AWS region. Each AWS region is separate from other AWS region. Availability of services is different for different AWS regions. One AWS region is a combination of multiple availability zones. In short, availability zones is called AZs. Some more details on AWS regions. One AWS region has 3 AZs. One AWS region can have minimum 2 and maximum 6 AZs. Each AZ in AWS region is isolated and separate from other AZs in same AWS region. Each AZ has independent power supply, cooling system, physical security. Each AZ connected via redundant, ultra-low latency networks with other AZs in same AWS region. This is important to know that all the regions are independent of another region. That means the instance installed in one region will not be replicated automatically in other regions. If an organization wants instances to work in different regions, then the instance will need to deploy separately for all other regions. Let's understand the availability zones. Each region has multiple physical data centers, and these physical data centers are known as availability zones or AZs. One AZ is one physical data center. Each AZ has redundant power, networking, and connectivity in an AWS region. Each AZ has independent power supply, cooling system, physical security. AZs allows the customer to deploy their services, database and project as they can deploy in a single data center. Each AZ connected via redundant, ultra-low latency networks with other AZs in same AWS region. Traffic between all the AZs are encrypted. If any organization deploy their database in one region, then the data is distributed in all the AZs. In the case of any issue like power outages, lightning strikes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and more at one AZ, data is safe and accessible from other two AZs. In the case of outage at one AZ, other two AZs will keep communication. AZs are physically separated by a meaningful distance, many kilometers, from any other AZ, although all are within 100 kilometers, 60 miles, of each other. There is another term called local zone. AWS Local Zone is a new type of infrastructure set up. When the organization is running latency-sensitive services, then this infrastructure places AWS computer, database, storage, and selective services nearer to the public. Each AWS Local Zone location is an extension of an AWS region where you can run your latency-sensitive applications using AWS services such as Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon FSx, Amazon Elastic Load Balancing, Amazon EMR, and Amazon Relational Database Service in geographic proximity to end users. AWS Local Zones provide a high bandwidth, secure connection between local workloads and those running in the AWS region, allowing you to seamlessly connect back to your other workloads running in AWS and to the full range of in-region services through the same APIs and toolsets. To understand this, let's take an example of Netflix, which uses the AWS. You will find different contents featuring in different countries. This is possible with this new structure. Example of services for end users is media and entertainment content creation, real-time gaming, reservoir simulations, electronic design automation, and machine learning. With increasing load, Amazon keeps adding new regions and availability zones. You can visit the AWS website to check the status. Hope you find this tutorial useful and easy. I will keep uploading more AWS tutorial videos. For now, I am signing out. Bye and stay safe.